Hi everyone, I am Ankita Majumdar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you class 7th Political Science SST chapter 1 on equality. Topic 4th, issues of equality in other democracies. India is not the only democratic country in which there is inequality and where the struggle for equality continues to exist. The truth is that in many democratic countries around the world, the issues of equality continues to be the key issue around which communities struggle. So, for example, in the United States of America, the Americans whose ancestor means forefather means purvaj, were the slaves who were brought over from Africa, continues to describe their lives today and largely unequal. This fact, there was a movement in the late 1950s to push for equal rights for African Americans. African Americans were treated extremely unequally in the United States and denied equality through law. For example, when traveling by bus, they either had to sit at the back of the bus or get up from their seat whenever a white person wished to sit. Here is an example of Rosa Parks, an African American woman. On December 1955, tired from a long day routine work, Rosa Parks denied to give up her seat on a bus to a white man. Her refusal that day started a huge problem against the unequal ways in which African Americans were treated and which came to be known as the Civil Rights Movement. The Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or national origin. It also stated that all schools would be open to African American children and that they would no longer have to attend separate schools specially set up for them. However, this a majority of African Americans continue to be among the poorest in the country. Most African American children can only afford to attend government schools that have fewer facilities and poorly qualified teachers as compared to white students who either go to private school or living in areas where the government schools are as highly rated as private schools. Challenge of democracy. Our next topic is challenge of democracy. Even today, no country can be described as democratic. There are always communities and individuals tries to expand the ideas of democracy and push for a greater recognition of equality on existing as well as new issues. With this struggle, central of this struggle of the recognition of all persons as equal and for their dignity to be maintained. Understood, students? So that's all for today's topic. Here we have completed our chapter first on equality. Next chapter I will explain in my next video. So see your homework. Your homework will be glossary. You have to write glossary in good handwriting. After that exercise, see the exercise. Okay, question and answers are there. Question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Write it in good handwriting. Here is the half one, okay, fourth one. And after that you have to write additional questions. Okay, here 7 questions are there. You have to write these all things in your notebook. Write it in a very good handwriting. Don't do the spelling mistakes. Use black and blue pen and neat and clean handwriting. You have to write it. After writing it, learn it. Okay, learn it. That's all for today's topic. Next chapter I will explain in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Keep learning. Thank you.